Hope everybody's having a good day. And I'm going to talk about the world's worst tool. This is a let's see the side here. This is a Jennings JA-22 and 22 long rifle. It is the absolute worst tool to have. I just broke it down and cleaned it, and for starters, the plastic safety broke off. So, besides the plastic safety breaking off, this gun just sucks. Anybody knows anything about them, it just sucks because you could be, I'm about to try to go out of the range with it, and I'll have to clean it again, but I got this to try to sell here for my father, and I was going to list it on Gunbroker, clean it up really well, and maybe do some range time shooting and then list it. Yeah, no, because I was like, you at least could get rid of this and maybe get a Taurus G2 or something like that, or a G3. And with the way the craziness is, you're still looking $300. But if you got $150 for something like this, that'd be good because it's a POS. And so now I'm not going to sell it because the safeties are $25 plus $15 to $20 shipping. So down the road, I might try to fab up a safety. Looks like it's got a little tit on the safety and the lever, so I'd have to just I might try to make something, maybe machine something out of some aluminum or something like that, and then if the times are right, I might try to sell it. But as of right now, it's just not going to do nothing. But let's see what camera's going to stay good. Gun's empty, just cleaning it, but yeah, it all functions like it should, you would think, but I don't know, I'm 3 arm lengths away from my wall, and it was pretty funny before that at the range you would think it's nothing, but it seemed like I was hitting the person's to my left's target before. And yes, so that's all the shooter. I'm gonna have to disagree and say that it's the 22 J-22, but it was custom. So I'm gonna maybe go out on the range, send a couple, see how it does, and see if I can even hit the Mini Ninja with this bad boy, and go from there. But yeah, I just cleaned her up. She had we had a little holster my pops had for it. Was like deteriorated, so it was really gummed up. And from the last time shooting it, it was just dirty and stuff. So we cleaned it up, but it seemed like the last time I cleaned it up and we shot it, it sort of ran, and such. But yeah, this gun's a POS, and I wouldn't buy it if, I guess if you needed it and you're 75% on shooting, it might work. But I'd say this is the world's worst gun. But yeah, so maybe we'll see it on the range. We'll see. Comes with there's a 6-round mag for it. And I did look today when I was looking at Gunbroker. They actually have a 7. There was even maybe a 12, but it was an aftermarket. Had a big pinky extender on it, so you could get your grip. I got normal size hands, I guess. I don't know what you call normal, but the Taurus fits my hands really nice. So, and this is a ring finger and a half, whatever. But if this is all you had, I still whatever. But yeah, let's go see what we can do, possibly down the range. Here's a nice little look at a Jennings JA-22 in chrome. It's fancy looking, other than it sucks. But I wonder if we can go bang and even hit the target from 12 feet with this little snubby Saturday night special. But yeah, no, I'm not going to sell it on Gunbroker because I called the FFL. With pistols, they said that it would take, I got to overnight them. And then my FFL wants $25 to do the processing, which is whatever. I knew that. I just put it in the shipping and stuff like that, but then overnight it. So, I'm looking maybe $50. $50 for at the most $150 gun if you're lucky. The times are tough right now. I think you could get that if it had a safety. But, so it'll just be a safe queen. I tried to give it to my dad. He's like, I don't want it. But it's going back to him. So I was trying to help my folks out and get this gone for them. And yeah, so she's cleaned up. Maybe we'll run it. And then I'll clean her again and just put her back in the case. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Well, guys, hope the day's going good. Garage is a super dump. I just got back from Illinois. I was I'm not sure when this video posts, but I was in Illinois. We emptied my parents' house out for the most part, and hopefully they'll be selling their house. And then I'm trying to get them to move to South Dakota. Love you guys. You know, I tell you that all the time. And B, they might go to Florida and stuff. They got a place in Florida. So who knows what happened. We'll see when the future holds. Hopefully their house just goes quick. And it'll be great for them. They can, you know, do their own thing and do whatever, you know, mom and dad want to do. But love you guys again. But yeah, so I met up with my buddy. I got my Warrior Poet Society Raven from a friend of mine. He sold me this bad boy used, and he bought the new one. Can't wait to get out of the range. Too bad I'll have to shoot BBs at it because that's all I got. Because, you know, nobody can find ammo, but the ammo shortage. So this bad boy sits tall at 37 inches, the way it's set up. Little mini ninja. I'll go on Warrior Poets Society's website and get you a link to the new one. It's AR-500 target, steel. You can frickin' blast it with whatever. Lots of videos of him shooting, you know, his crew shooting and stuff. But I'm pretty pumped. The boss wasn't too happy, but, you know, she loves me, so she's good to go. And, yeah, we can't wait to get out and send some stuff again. Like I said, I might have to use the wrist rocket. That's all I got, or the BB gun. You know, we'll try to make this steel talk. But this is AR-500 target, so you can blast the pee out of it with whatever you got, and you know, get cracking at it. So, but yeah, guys, just want to show it off. Again, sorry for the mess. Still been processing the stuff that I took home from their house, going through what we can use and, you know, and what I, you know, had to get rid of and stuff. So yeah, like I said, the garage is total freaking nightmare and stuff. But you know, it's always a little more cluttery. Because I got too much crap as it is too, but we've been purging a whole bunch of crap ourselves. I can't wait for the garbage guy to come because I got a whole pile of stuff. But yo, can't wait to get sending on this. Back to the topic here. This bad boy's pretty big. The thing that's really cool with this stuff is it doesn't matter for me because my range is on my yard. But if you're going anywhere, you frickin' let me get my gloves just because it's steel. If you're going anywhere, the badass part, if you got a pickup truck, you know, this bad boy folds down. Like the newest ones, the new updates. The updated stuff is sick because it holds it together. But you get this bad boy, and freaking, you know, it's laying in the trunk of your car for when you hit the range. Again, I just like it was like a nice little steel target you could do sending with, and you can see. He had 308s and some stuff, 7 mil. It gets abused, man. But this baby's got a lot more sending she could take, and yeah, I'm just pumped that. Thanks Jay, Turbo Impala, and yeah, man. But that's pretty badass. Fits in the back of your trunk so you can drag it to the range and set it up. Again, my range is outside, so all I'm doing is humping to the field, or if I go across the street to my neighbor's house, we could send it, you know, whatever we gotta do. But yeah, guys, thanks very much. See you out on the range. We'll make her talk sometime. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. So I'm down on the range. I got the Raven set up, the Warrior Poet Society's Raven Gen 1. And we got the world's worst gun. Let's see if we can do it. I'm out with the Jennings JA-22. Cleaned, ready to go. See how she shoots. And go from there. See if we can freaking hit anything. I got a collaboration of ammo today and some Remington and Federal stuff. Got a little bit of wind out here. See what we're looking like. It's still on target. Yeah, I'm close. Oh, as I drop the gun. Going hot! No. At least I hit it. First shot, dead nuts, center mass. And this is why the Jennings sucks. Ah, shit, did it again. Yeah, I don't think I'd buy this gun. It could be the collaboration of ammo, but it totally sucks. So that was a 525 or one of the Remington bulk packs. So I think I got Federals coming in. Oh, look at that shit. Good thing you have it down range. Woo, gotta watch this, man. I gotta watch it, save it. Gun safety. Let one rip. Uncle Jim, that was like your test. Make sure the gun's safe. Yeah, this gun's a fucking pile of shit. Always have your gun pointed in the safe direction, because you never know. If you let it rip, we can do it again. Got it again. Nothing home. Put it back in the pocket. Let's load a couple more. That was awesome. Good thing, wish I had the kids by me behind me to show them how shit happens. Could have killed somebody with that bad boy. Good thing I had it down range. So again, all I got is collaboration, Remingtons, Federals, and Winchesters. Yeah. That gun ain't going on Gunbroker. Take it to a welder and weld it. Take it to pieces and sell it as parts. Alright, let's try it again. 2. That was a shell, so it didn't eject it. At least I'm hitting it. You know, that's good. We'll count it off here. Hey, shot 2. Woohoo! Gun safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yards. You know, at least I hit it. See the, you know, world's worst gun. We let a rack. I don't know what you'd call that, but I racked it and it fired. Finger wasn't on the trigger, and yeah, piece of junk, man. But tell the Raven. That setup's really nice. I wish we had more than just 22s to blow it to pieces. Might have to get the BB gun out later and try to see if we can hit it 75 yards. But let's go check out the Raven real quick. Nice little setup here. You can see I was dinking it with the stuff, with the repainter. But yeah, the Raven's pretty awesome. I'll stitch these two together. World's worst gun and the Raven. So you know. Making Steel Talks good. Hope your day's going good, guys. Thanks for watching. And again, that was the world's worst gun. I'm nobody, but that's my opinion. It sucks ass. A lot of stuff you can find online about the J-22s. But thanks, guys. Have a great day, all. Thanks for watching.